In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uncrop and extend your photos using ClipDrop's uncrop tool. We'll start by opening ClipDrop in your web browser. It works on most modern browsers, so use whichever you prefer and make sure your connection is steady. Once the home page loads, look for the Tools area. This is where all of ClipDrop's features live. Inside Tools, find and open Uncrop. This feature is designed to expand the edges of a photo so you can change its shape without losing important content. On the Uncrop page, click Upload. Choose the photo you want to work with from your device. Clear, higher resolution images usually produce more natural looking expansions, especially around textured backgrounds like foliage, fabric, or sky. After you pick your file, wait for the upload to complete. You'll see it appear on the canvas when it's ready. Avoid switching tabs or closing the window while it finishes. Next, choose the aspect ratio you want for your image. Think about where the final picture will be used. A square ratio is great for profile grids, a tall vertical ratio fits stories or reels, and a wide landscape ratio works well for banners and thumbnails. If you're matching an original layout, select the option that keeps your composition balanced. Framing matters here. Consider where faces, logos, or main subjects sit so the AI knows which edges to extend. When you're happy with the ratio, click Next. This prompts the AI to fill in the missing areas around the original photo. The system analyzes colors, lighting, and textures to synthesize new pixels that blend with what's already there. Give it a moment to process. Complex scenes may take a bit longer, while simple backgrounds usually finish quickly. Once the expansion is complete, review the result. Look over edges, repeating patterns, and any fine details that the tool created to make sure everything looks natural and consistent with the original image. If it matches your vision and the composition feels balanced, click Download. Your expanded image will save to your device in the aspect ratio you selected, ready for posting, printing, or further editing in your favorite app. And that's it. You went to ClipDrop, opened Tools, selected Uncrop, uploaded your photo, chose an aspect ratio, clicked Next, let the AI fill the edges, and downloaded the finished image. Thanks for watching, and enjoy transforming your photos with Uncrop.